financial got the flow. AI solutions let your business grow.
Bravo here from Bravo Financial, AI Solutions. Welcome to our live today. So I want to talk about bookkeeping and tax planning. I keep seeing businesses not sexy. They don't pay attention to it. So I'm going to show you why it's so important to pay attention to bookkeeping, and then obviously I'm going to make you an offer on my bookkeeping system. So why is it so important? You need to know your numbers, you know your taxes, build them. The actual system every small business owner should have. I never used the word bookkeeping here, right? Not so far. So most business owners are flying blind. Okay, so this is why are they flying blind? Checking back balance instead of tracking real profit. That was me in the old days. If I have money in the account, how much did I owe? How much did I take in? The rest is mine, right? Waiting until tax season to think about taxes. Guessing cash flow instead of knowing it. Missing wealth building opportunities every month. If you don't know your numbers, someone else is controlling your money. So this is where I see a lot of businesses at over the years, because I'm a certified QuickBooks. I used to sell it, give links to it, save people $5 on it, but everybody told me it's a nightmare. I gotta learn accounting, hire a bookkeeper, my CPA does it, whatever, right? So the old way, stop learning. Deep learning curve. That's what QuickBooks is. You pay for software nobody knows how to use. I mean, some people do. Unused software. It sits empty because it's too complicated to update. Endless fees. Forced to pay a bookkeeper and a CPA just to make sense of your own. Hard way. Zero learning curve. Pervasive AI handles the heavy lifting automatically. Always updated real-time tracking without manual data entry. No manual data entry. Total independence. You don't need a bookkeeper or CPA unless you want to keep one. So let me go to my dash. Show you. Let me show you the bookkeeping app. Okay. So here's my bookkeeping app, you guys. This is the app that I'm going to be going over and breaking it down every piece. Now, you business owners who have any problem, get the app. It's free. I'll give it to you for 14 days. As soon as you get it, we're going to have a weekly call. So if you have any questions about it, it's, like I told you, there's no learning curve. It's real simple. I'll show you. So I'm inside, right? I'm already logged in. So one thing you're going to see right here, you got this little guy right here walking around. Does he have an iPad in his hand? Anything you want to know about my software, you click the little guy. How much money did I make this year? And so on. Instead of you even having to go to pages to give you the answers. So it's not much to do. But I want to show you what's important. So once you answer 4 questions, your books are set up automatically in order. You're going to come here. You're going to connect your bank. Once you connect your bank, then all your stuff's going to come over and go where it's supposed to go. And then right here, you finish your books. I recommend us to do this after you connect. It's going to ask you, like, did you lend the money? It's going to finish the books, and then boom, you're done. So that's the bookkeeping part, right? But we're looking at know your numbers. So every day, I recommend a business owner should have a big screen. It's bookkeeping right here. These numbers showing every day. What's my income for today? Expenses for today, profit for today, and estimated tax I owe. Then all caught up, right? So this is going to be there. Boom, big old, I don't know. I would get at least a 35-inch screen or something, 2 35-inch screens, and one for just these numbers. They're always in your brain. You always know your numbers. I don't want to go too much over the software. I go over it over and over and over. So I already showed you hook your bank. This even has, it gets smarter. It starts forecasting for you. So once, after probably 3 to 6 months, it's going to learn your business and start forecasting what's going to happen the following months. So this is built for us, you guys, for small business owners, not for accountants. And then I'll show you the tax planning, right? Click here, you know your quarterly taxes will be right here. Like I said, I'm not gonna get too deep into it because just wanted to show you a couple of things, but I'll be breaking down every part of the software where you literally don't have to do nothing. There's no learning curve. So let me get back to my PowerPoint so we can second. Okay, this is where we were. So you've seen the numbers. So these numbers will be centered when you open that. Revenue 42 grand, expenses 28 grand, your profit 4,500. This will be a daily reading. Cash positive flow is positive. So stop getting surprised by your tax. Quarterly taxes, you don't need to call your accountant, CPA, bookkeeper. It's going to be in the bookkeeping. It's going to show you, and you just pay it. April, June, September, January. You know how much money that's going to start? You know how much money that's going to save you guys by not going to call nobody, and everything is at your fingertips. I just started selling this. We built. Took us 5 months to build it, many hours. So tax planning is not a tax preparation. One saves you money, one just files paperwork. We do both. Taxes can be your biggest expense. Business owners just don't realize they're working 4 months a year, and they're just worried about income and leads. And this is important. You ain't got to worry about shit no more with this software, you guys. Many business owners spend more on taxes than on marketing. You know, it's funny. I know all these digital guys. I was asking them, what software are you using? I don't use shit. I just write it down. Most of these digital guys online, they don't even use the bookkeeping software. And you wonder why they're moving from business to business, company to company. You got to have a bookkeeping software if you want to have some wealth and know what's going on in your business at all times. Every dollar saved in taxes is a dollar you can invest. That's a fact. You can put money, insurance. I don't mean business owners don't realize an insurance policy is an amazing thing, and you can use it in conjunction with retirement. I'll show you guys that in one of our apps actually has Be the Bank. So keep more of your what you earn legally. Reduce unnecessary tax burden through smart planning. Reinvest tax savings into your business or assets. Build long-term wealth, not just short-term wealth. The wealthy just don't focus on how much money they make. They focus on how much they keep. That's what my system does. So you small business owners who are just glossing through my long, boring video, this is very important for you. You get this for $59, you guys. Let me tell you something. So I can't say their name. I hate to say people's name. I'm in California. There's a family in California. They drive around in Ferraris. You know what they do? Tax planning. Well, they sell their tax planning software to other tax planners. I don't know what they charge, a few $100 a month, whatever. They're asking their clients a minimum of $2,000 to do tax planning. These guys are making millions off high-end income earners. High-end income earners. I mean, they go after whether real estate investors, CEOs, whatever. They do their tax planning for them. Guess what? My software I just showed you has every tax planning that multi-billionaires need. You don't need to ask nobody shit. You just hit a plan and it tells you what to do. If you like that plan, you like it, you hit another one. So let's keep that in mind. So meet the Bravo Wealth system. That's what we call it. Automatic bookkeeping. Transactions categorized for you automatically. You ain't got to do nothing. Real-time dashboard. Revenue expenses, I showed you that. Tax planning insights. Quarterly estimates and deductions tracking. Know where your money goes. No more guessing. Complete financial clarity. No contracts, $59. I even show you. It's a 14-day trial, no credit card. Who's this built for? It's built for small business, you guys. I built it for home services. I always hear these guys complaining. They're running everywhere. HVAC, plumbers, electricians, attorneys, professionals, martial arts schools, and local small businesses. This is built for you guys. I don't know why people are not getting it. Now we just started launching it. So hopefully this sounds like hotcakes. I think you get wealthy. If you're a business owner and you're not tracking your numbers, this was built for you. So Bravo Wealth System is part of something bigger. Now we have a whole complete system. If you want to know about that, get on an appointment with us, and we will tell you what else we got to offer. We have the Wealth System, which we're talking about today. Sophia, the AI 24-hour phone system. We have our apps for certain businesses, like if you're a home service, air conditioning, a lot of you use Titan or a couple other ones. We built one just as good. You ain't got to pay $150 per driver. It's dirt cheap compared to Titans. And then our AI system. All this is tied into the system. Plus, there's a lot more tied into this. There's 9 other apps. And there's we have a hub that's called a security hub. I'll show that on another video. So stop guessing, start knowing, know your numbers, know your taxes, and build some wealth. Start with the Bravo Wealth System. 14-day trial, no credit card required. First 50 founders only. Includes free security hub, single login, and protected info. $59. Need more information? You know what? I created a brain called Hope. It's our bot. She's amazing. It's not a bot. She can do anything. So if you come and book, she will take over and get you an appointment or get you any questions you need. And we can show you our brain if you want the brain too. Our brain does everything. It runs our whole business. So you guys, that's it for the bookkeeping app or the wealth system. This is live right now. I hope some business owners are seeing it. You're somewhere in your store and you're like, I need that shit. I need it. You do need it. You all need it. I need it. I'm using it. But, so it's there, you guys. First $59. After that, we'll double the price. It'd be probably locked in there. But this thing is well worth it. There's nothing on here about, you ain't got to learn about it. I know girls and IRS people selling $1,500, $3,000. They sell you a program they got off the IRS website. It looks cool. You get on there, you're studying for, you ain't got to study shit. You just come in our software, click the robot, say, hey, I get the best tax section 179. Boom, click it and it tells you exactly what to do. So all that's built into my software. $59. I'm not begging. I'm not begging. I'm begging that the owners see the value of this software. I just want business owners to succeed. This, you think Walmart don't have the numbers, and you go to their store, every freaking thing you buy, every penny, it's all in a system like mine, but for Walmart. This is a miniature system that all small businesses can use, and it makes a big difference in your life. So you guys, $59. I'm running ads, but I also have a cool text system where I can text 400 people, business owners a day. I'm gonna get the leads I want because I built this system. If you're interested in that, you may want to call me. I also got a cold email system. So I got a lot of things for small business owners, but I'm just offering the bookkeeping because you can use it. Then you see it and you say, man, this is amazing. Then you might trust me. Then we can do some more business. I can help you in other ways. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said, this is the boring part of business, taxes, tax planning. But the smart business owners are the people that are making a lot of money. The first thing they do is, these are the 2 things they do. You should all do it in the beginning. So you guys, thank you again for watching this video. I know it's a little boring, but this is essential to us.